This is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls on this device. So first and foremost, you will need to launch settings, then find and enter the accounts category, that is accounts and backup. Then go for the manage accounts page, see if you have any Google or Gmail accounts added. If you have some, you will need to remove those accounts like that. Once this step is out of the way, you will need to get back to the main settings page and re-enter another category, this time Google. Then tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next. The next order of business is to sign into your child's Google account, so let me do exactly that. If you do not have Google accounts you can use, you can simply create one right over here by going for the create account option. So let me quickly sign into my supervisee's Google account. Then just proceed with the Google sign-in as you would normally do. After the Google account was successfully signed into, select it from the list over here. And now we will need to enter another Google account credentials, but this time for the account that belongs to you as a parent or, to whatever person that will supervise the child. So, from here, at this point you should know the drill. Input the email address, then follow it by entering the account password. Then you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page, which you will need to scroll all the way down, and confirm the next action by entering the child's Google account password one more time. Then tap at the Agree button. After that, as you can see, this pop-up or dialog window appears, so tap at the Allow option and wait for the child and parent accounts to be linked together. Now hit the next button. This step at which we can enable or disable apps we can skip, since there is no point in doing that now, because later on you will be able to do exactly that but with greater precision. The same applies for manage filters and settings page. And from here, if the device that is highlighted over here is the phone or tablet you will be using to supervise your child, you can tap at the blue Install Family Link button and the required Google Family Link application will be automatically downloaded and installed on your phone, or you can do that manually. So I'll just do it manually since it is more generic approach or path, so it will suit everybody. So as you can see, the parental controls were successfully enabled at the child's end. Now you gotta take your parental phone or device and download the Family Link application from the Play Store for free. Then launch it. Make sure to sign into the parental Google account, this one. And in the app itself, you can do such things as setting up the daily usage limits or downtime routine, managing apps. That's what I've earlier told you that we will be able to do that with greater precision. So here's the full list of apps that our child has installed on their phone. So in here you can enable or disable those apps, as well as set app usage limits, or generally see the app activity if you need it. Then you can also apply content restrictions and age filters for the list of following apps. Then you can configure the account settings, manage devices if you have multiple people to look after, monitor your child's live location, and see the child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that will be it as far as setting up parental controls on this phone goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.